Good morning, children. We had completed 10 chapters, so today we will start lesson number 12, Growing Plants. In this chapter, we will learn about plants, that how the plants grow and how they reproduce. Like all living beings, plants produce their own kind. Let us take a look at how young plants are produced and how they grow. Plants produce young plants, and this process is called as reproduction. Most plants reproduce through seeds, some plants reproduce through spores, and some reproduce through parts of their bodies. Most plants bear flowers. Flowers wither and change into fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them. When seeds fall on the soil and get air, water, and warmth, they germinate and grow into new plants. The process by which a seedling or baby plant grows from seed is called germination. The conditions necessary for germination are air, water, and sunlight. When we will observe a bean or a gram seed, it is hard and cannot be broken easily. The hard outer covering is called a seed coat. The seed coat protects the seed. The seeds have special seed leaves or cotyledons. Cotyledons protect the baby plant or embryo. They also store food for the baby plant. Seeds like grams, beans, peas have 2 cotyledons, while seeds like wheat and corn have only 1 cotyledon. Now there is a question that how seeds go from one place to another. Plants cannot move on their own. The scattering of seeds away from the parent plant is known as dispersal of seeds. Seeds are dispersed by agents such as wind, water, birds, insects, and animals, and these agents are called as agents of dispersal. Some seeds are light and have special tufts of hair or wings that help them to be carried away by the wind from one place to another. So, seeds dispersed by wind. Cotton, dandelion, and madar seeds have tufts of hair around them. Hiptage, maple seeds have wings attached to them. Water helps in dispersal of seeds of plant living in water or a place near it. The lotus fruit has a spongy part and the coconut has a thick fibrous coat. These special parts enable the lotus fruit and the coconut to float on water. So, when a coconut falls from a tree into water, it floats on water and travels to far off places. So, it means seeds are dispersed with the help of water also. Seeds are also dispersed by birds, animals, and humans. Humans and animals eat juicy fruit and fleshy fruits like mango, apple, and watermelon and throw away their seeds. Seeds of plants like xanthium, tiger nail, and spear grass have hooks or spines. They stick to the hairy skin of animals or cloths of humans and are carried away. Some seeds are eaten by birds and animals. These seeds are coated so that they do not get destroyed. So, when birds and animals swallowed them, they come out unharmed in their waste material. Thus, seeds are dispersed to the other places. By this way, seeds are dispersed by animals also. Some fruits burst open or explode when they become dry. The force of explosion helps the seeds to scatter away. The dispersal of pea, geranium, and balsam seeds take place by explosion. So children, today we had learned 4 agents of dispersal of seeds, that is wind, water, animals and explosion of fruits. With the help of these agents, new plant grow from seeds. We will learn how plants reproduce through spores and how plants reproduce through parts of their body. Some plants such as moss do not have flowers. They do not produce seeds also. They produce tiny spores and each spores grow into a new plant. Fern also do not have flowers. They do not produce seeds and they produce tiny spores and these spores grow into a new plant. Some plants produce new plant from other parts of the plant body. The method of obtaining new plant from the leaves, stem and roots of the parent plant is called vegetative propagation. Now let us discuss that what exactly this vegetative propagation is. Children, do you know? New plants grow from roots. If we will take a sweet potato, which is a part of its parent plant, and insert toothpicks in it on all its 4 sides, then if we will place the sweet potato in water in such a way that the lower part of the sweet potato remains immersed in water, where it can get fresh air and sunlight. After a few days, roots come out of the sweet potato. Soon, a small plant grows out of it. Here we see the roots of a plant producing a young plant. Plants like dahlia and asparagus also reproduce through their roots. New plants grow from underground stems also. Potato, ginger and onion are underground stems. Food is stored in these stems. Potato and ginger have eye on them. Under suitable condition, each eye grow into a bud. When we place them in the soil, new plant grow from the bud as given in the picture. New plant of onion grow from bulb when they are planted in the soil. The underground stem of ginger is called as rhizome and the underground stem of potato is called tuber. Children, do you know some plants grow from leaves also? To explain this, I want to give you the example of Bryophyllum plant. Yes, Bryophyllum plant has buds on the edges of its leaves. As given in the first picture, when these buds fall on moist soil, they produce new plant. New plant also grow from stem. Some plants like rose, hibiscus, bougainvillea, sugarcane and cotton have buds on their stem. If we will cut the stem of one of these plants into a small pieces and plant into a soil, after a few days we will see the stem cutting grows into a new plant. So, this is our chapter, Growing Plants. So, what we learned from this chapter? Yes, we learned that how plants reproduce through seeds, how plants reproduce through spores, and how some plants reproduce through parts of their body. Thank you and have a nice day.